Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Zebra Eltron label printer, the CJP-Geek AC adapter. Specifically designed to be compatible with models like the TLP2622, TLP2742, and TLP2844Z. This power supply promises to be a reliable and safe solution for keeping your operations running smoothly. One of the first things that stands out about this CJP-Geek adapter is its impressive versatility when it comes to power input. With a wide range of 110 to 240 volts AC, it's truly a global solution. This means users can plug it in almost anywhere without needing a voltage converter, making it incredibly convenient for businesses or individuals who might operate in different regions or even travel with their equipment. Another practical feature that often gets overlooked but makes a huge difference in daily use is the cable length. This adapter comes with a generous 8-foot cable. That's long enough to provide ample reach, so you won't find yourself constantly searching for a nearby outlet or struggling with awkward cable management. It offers the flexibility to place your printer exactly where you need it, without being tethered too closely to the power source. Safety is, of course, paramount when it comes to any electrical device, and CJP-Geek has clearly prioritized this. The adapter boasts a CE certificate, which is a strong indicator of its adherence to European safety standards. Beyond that, it's equipped with a comprehensive suite of protection features. We're talking about short-circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overload protection. These safeguards are designed to protect not only the adapter itself, but more importantly, your valuable label printer from potential electrical damage, giving users significant peace of mind. Perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to consider the CJP-Geek AC adapter is the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction, backed by a solid 2-year warranty. This isn't just a standard warranty, it comes with a hassle-free replacement policy. If the item defects while using it within 2 years, customers simply need to contact CJP-Geek, and they will replace it with a new one without the need to return the defective unit. This kind of no-fuss guarantee really speaks volumes about the confidence CJP-Geek has in their product's durability and performance. In summary, for anyone needing a dependable power supply for their compatible Zebra Eltron label printer, the CJP-Geek AC adapter presents itself as an excellent choice. Its wide input voltage, extended cable length, robust safety features, and a generous, user-friendly warranty make it a standout option. It's designed to provide consistent, safe power, ensuring your label printing tasks are never interrupted by power issues. This adapter truly seems to deliver on its promise of reliable performance and user convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.